What is up, ninjas? So we're doing this new forge. It's a new gas forge. It's the one I talked about the other morning in the chat. So what we're doing here is we're cooking on the rigidizer for the ceramic blanket, which helps make it stiffer, so that we can put the Satanite inside there. And then we're gonna, we received one block with it, but I'm gonna put a couple more. So anyways, this is some of the shop. Over there is the workout room. So the difference between that one and the new one is these are not riveted in, and the welding is not very good quality on this one. Spot welding. I don't know if they just overlooked it or if they're rushing it because I bought so many, but $80. So there's my other Ford back there, and another one. Just big bastards. I want something small, so I can make smaller things and be able to take it with me if I need to. But anyways, so the Mr. Volcano comes with the blanket, 2 bags of Satanite, big bag, small bag, small bag for repairing it later, 1 gas valve with, so this is your burner, right? And then it comes with one of these, regulate your gas up to 20 psi, and then one of those blocks in that. So anyways, that's what comes with this, and it's good for entry level. Anybody just starting out. Now I've built these burners before, and they are a pain in the ass to source the materials where I'm at. But I needed something I can make those in without having to turn on the big gas forge or go outside and do the charcoal one. Now underneath this one is a charcoal. It goes up there, but we don't use that in the wintertime because it's the gym's next door. So I don't have it all closed off. I have the welding stuff, the welding blankets up there, but anyways, so that's it. This is the one I was telling you guys and gals about. Here's my broken anvil. Like I don't do a lot of big stuff in here, so this was mainly small job stuff, knives, stupid little things. But anyways, so I wanted to show you guys and gals that 88 bucks, $94, almost 95 bucks with tax. So if you want to pick you up a small but usable Mr. Volcano gas forge, it's the cheapest one you can get right now, and they work. So I bought 2 more, probably gonna buy another one. I gave one away. So yeah, there it is. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, bitch your most complaints. I'm Irish USMC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed. Have a great day. Learn something. Study. Read books. Be better. Peace.